Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make Google your homepage on Google Chrome. So first let's bring up Google Chrome, press these three little dots and come down to the settings. Now the first thing you want to do is select Appearance and then select Show Home button. This puts the home button here in the top left hand corner of your browser. Then you want to enter a custom web address. So this is the one what you want to be your home page. So let's just put Google as an example. However, you can put any web address you wish. So that's the first step. So what that'll do is whenever you're on any web page, you can press the home button and it'll go back to your home page. So now what we want to do is select On Startup. Now you have three options here. I recommend selecting on a specific page or set of pages. Then you want to select Add a New Page and then select the home page you want to be set. In our case, we'll just put google.com. Now what you want to do is completely quit out of Google Chrome. Now when you bring it back up, your home page will be set. In our case, it's just Google. So let's just navigate to a web address to show that home button. How that works. We'll just go to the BBC. When you open up a web address, say you want to go straight back to your home page, you just press this home button and there you go, straight back to your home page. So that's how to make Google your home page on Google Chrome. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.